Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of the family. Today we're doing something super exciting. I look forward to this every, 2-3 months, however often they do this. I think it's every 3 months, but I'm probably wrong. I normally am. This is the pop-up haul for August. So I love when BoxyCharm does this. It is amazing. The prices are fantastic and I just can't get enough of it. You guys, I spend way too much money every time this thing comes around. So we are going to do a haul. Now, mind you, I am missing one order which had 4 things in it, which I will tell you right now what they are because I have them written down. It is the Model Rock Cosmetics Rock Chic, I guess, for $12. Eyeshadow palette, volume 1. The Touch and Soul Metalist Magnum Glitter Shot and Snow Prism for $6. The Mindland Cucumber Hydrating Face and Body Mist for $6. And the Hank & Henry Las Hormonas, probably said that wrong, eyeshadow palette for $9. So that is what I don't have yet. Who knows? I haven't even gotten anything saying that they're sending it. So whenever that'll get here, I don't want to wait any longer because I really want to get into some of these products. So this is my haul so far. I think there was like 3 different orders. You guys, I go crazy in this box. So we're going to go through it pretty quickly so that you can see what I did pick up and what the prices were. And excuse me while I try to get comfy and just, you know, go through everything and show you what I got from the pop-up. So without further ado, stay tuned and we will get started. Okay, so first out of the big box is an item from Fenty Beauty. It is unattached and it is her Stunna lip paint. And I have everything written down for prices so that I could tell you this time around what everything was. And this, where are you, is $12. I don't know why I thought, but I thought this was a nude color. It's not a nude color. Actually, this probably would have been really pretty to put on my lips today. Here is what it looks like. It is so pretty. I can't wait to try this. Oh, it's so nice. For $12, what are you gonna do? This is what gets me in trouble. All right, we got something funny here, which is a sleeping mask, but I thought it was kind of cute. I've been really using my sleeping masks every single day. So this is Lux and Willow Plush Eye Mask in Lavender for $6. So there's that. We have a brush set, and it is a Morphe brush set. Blending Baddies brush collection. You guys, I've been waiting to get into this. This bag is so nice too. I thought it was super cute. And it's nice to have. Not that we're traveling anywhere, but it definitely fits a lot of brushes. So when we do get to travel, this would be a nice little container to put them in. And this price was $12 for, I'm excited, you guys. I love Morphe brushes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brushes. The E22 pointed blender brush. The M443 pointed liner brush. The M562 tiny crease blender brush. The M454 detailed crease brush. The M518 crease fluff brush, and the M573 pointed deluxe blender brush. So for $12 and a nice little traveling case, and I love the black and red. It's just so pretty. Again, a no-brainer for me. My hair's sticking up, I'm sorry. These 2 I picked up just because I thought they were cute. My phone, I always use these ring holders on my phone. Like, I have backups because they're hard to find. But I picked that one up, and I believe this was $6. This was $9, and these were $6. And these are the Zaxi. I'm probably not saying that right. Just little hoops right here. Zaxi by Stephanie Taylor. And they have like the little rhinestones on the front there. Just cute. Wow. The back says $40. $40. I paid $6 for this. Does this have a price back here? No. So those two little things I picked up. Next, we have the Morphe blending brush, only because I've never tried this and I wanted to give it a try. A lot of people have talked really good about this, and I got it for $3. Then for $12, the Exfoliate Kate, what is this? Kate Somerville Exfoliate Kate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment, and there's 2 fluid ounces in here. I've been using this for quite some time, and it is expensive. So to see a full-size product for $12 when these things are like $50, I believe, $50 or $60 for this. So again, I picked that up. Next, we have some Briogeo products because I couldn't believe that they were actually on the pop-up. This is Briogeo. So we have the Briogeo Smoothing Shampoo that was $6. We have the Briogeo Blossom Bloom Ginseng Conditioner for $9. I don't know why that was a difference. The Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Root Powder. Where is that at? $6. And then the leave-in milk spray, $6. So the only thing that was $9 was the conditioner. Okay. It's Briogeo. I'm super excited. I use their products all the time, so I couldn't believe that that was actually in there. So moving on, I have another product from Fenty, and it is the Matte Moussel. Let's see. I wish I had like an order where I put these in order and I can pull them out and it'd be easy, but no. It is in Thick, which is a nice nude shade, and this was only $6. So I do have one of these, and the formula is very nice. Oh, upside down. But that is what it looks like. So pretty. Beautiful nude. $6. I know that they're on sale in Sephora for like $12 or $18 right now. All right, next we have a product from Milk, and it is their Kush Lip Balm in Catonic, and this was, where are you? $4. $4 for a Milk lip balm. Yeah, I was definitely taken. So that is what it looks like. And then when you open it up, it is magnetic, and there is your product. Super heavy, like weighted lip balm. So that's really nice. And then we have Farsali, the Skin Tune Blur, a full size. This was $12 for this, and it is the full size product. So that is what that looks like. I haven't tried this one. I went through a small one of the purple one, and then this one is the liquid glass, and I did like it, so that's why I got this. And BoxyCharm also gave us, I think, the purple one as well. I haven't touched that because I just finished that one, but I did like it a lot, so that's basically why I got that. And then now we have 2 MAC lipsticks. These both went for $4 a piece, and we have On Hold and Dangerous. Right there are the colors. I mean, and the On Hold is a cream sheen, and then the other one is Retro Matte. All right, now we are down to palettes and one other thing. So I love Viseart, and when I've seen that this was on there, and this is one of the ones that I'm only missing like 2 or 3 of these little guys, I was like, you've got to be kidding me. So this was $12 for this, and this is the Petite Pro Volume 3. I do have, I think, like 5 of these things, so I was like, what? And I was definitely excited because I was missing this one. It is super cute. The shades are small, but there they are. Viseart is beautiful. If you've never used this formula and this comes up again in Boxy Pop-Up, I would definitely suggest trying this. Definitely. All right. I got this only because of the packaging. Like, packaging will get me every single time. And this is the Pure Cosmetics Out of the Blue, and it was $12. So here's the packaging. This is what it looks like. And then when you open this thing up, there is a light. You gotta be kidding me. So that's basically why I got it. The shades are okay. They're very neutral, but I just had to, I know, I had to have that. All right, we are almost done, you guys. We have, let me show you this real quick. The Sol de Janeiro set, and this was $24. You get a mini Bum Bum cream, and then these two glows. This stuff is amazing. It smells so good. Beautiful. And now we have 2 palettes left. They are both from Violet Voss, and I believe they both were $18. Let me double check. Okay. For some reason, I didn't write down the price of the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow, but this was $18. I believe they were both $18. This one I definitely was looking at. It is so pretty, and I was looking at it before the pop-up. Like, I was almost there to buy this. I think all my Violet Voss shadows that I've gotten have been from BoxyCharm or Ipsy, so I'm very thankful for that because her formula is pretty nice, you guys. This is what the outside looks like. The mirror is so nice. This palette is weighted, and it's raised. It's so pretty. Like, it's definitely, I couldn't believe it was in here. Here's the mirror, and it is, like I said, it's very weighted. And then here are your shades. They are so pretty, you guys. For $18, I just couldn't say no. And it was something that I was already looking at, you know, that's crazy. And then here is the, like, a Boss Pro eyeshadow palette. And then I will show you real quick what's in here. And this is beautiful too. It's really pretty palette, weighted, it's nice. And again, the mirror feels pretty heavy. And then here are your shades. So pretty. Very kind of neutrally palette with a pop of yellow and some blues down here, but very pretty. I cannot wait to touch this and feel, you know, because I haven't done any swatches on this. If you'd like to see any kind of eye looks, let me know, because I definitely can do that with some of these, and that way we can play with them. Also, I wanted to tell you guys, because I just received this in the mail a little bit ago, and I'm not sponsored anyway at all. I wish I was, but I am not. This is just me spreading the word and letting you know how easy it is to get cash back. So I got my check from Rakuten. I like my little covering my address and stuff. But you guys, all you have to do is download Rakuten, shop through them. You just go to the website or to the app, click the little whatever store you're going to. It'll tell you what the cashback is. It'll also tell you like any coupons that you need to know. And then every 3 months you can either have it shipped to your house in check form, or you can have it put in your PayPal. And I think that's, I don't know if there's any other ways, but I get check because it's just easy for me that way. I don't even have a PayPal right now, but you guys, this is just from shopping online. Like you see, I blocked everything out, but from just shopping online. So I am going to link Rakuten down below if you guys were interested. You know, Christmas is coming and a lot of people are going to be doing shopping online. I know it sounds like I'm sponsored, but you guys, I'm not sponsored. I just love it so much. I can't believe, like, I use this money to get more makeup. It's like my excuse to, I can buy another palette or something. And it's nice. All you have to do is go into Rakuten and then go onto your website. It's that easy, you guys. It is so nice. What's it say? The easiest way to earn cash back. Yeah, with our browser extension and all that. That was in with the check. But it's super easy. I will link it down below if you guys are interested in that. It's definitely a great way to earn cash back. There's also another one called top cashback, I believe. And those two are like the Rakuten and that one are like the two best on the markets. But I use Rakuten. It's easy for me and I love it. It's just, it's a great way to do your cashback. So with that being said, you guys, I just wanted to throw that in there with all the holiday shopping coming up. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. Please let me know down below if you guys received any of these items, what you think of them, and what you guys got from Boxy Pop-Up, because I am excited to see what everybody got. I'm going to be watching all their videos. So thank you guys. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.